Bonjour tout le monde. I'm here with Mike the dog today. He doesn't speak French, but I thought you guys would like to meet him. Violet's in the other room. She can be in the next one. So I wanted to make a video explaining there's a fly. What we're gonna do this week. I'm gonna post the entire week's worth of work, notes, and worksheets for you so that you can do them on your own pace or at your own pace, so that you're not having to do them at a weird time of the day where you might not have access to the internet, especially if you're sharing with a sibling, sharing a laptop or something like that. But this week we are gonna start in on that packet that I gave you. So, also thank you so much for your posts on our discussion board. I've not read through all of them, but I really appreciate you guys posting and interacting with each other. I'm super proud of everybody's responses, so thank you for doing that. Thank you for being responsive in the things that you had to turn in. Also your projects, which I haven't graded yet either. That's my project for this week while you guys are working on these notes, okay? So Monday we're going to start with the first page. So every time we have notes, I'm going to be making a narration of a PowerPoint, and I'll tell you right now that the audio has not been the best because I have to do it on my tablet, and I can't so far figure out how to hook up one of my microphones to my tablet so that it recognizes the microphone. So I'm just using the tablet microphone, which is not the greatest, so I apologize ahead of time for the quality, and it's a little bit quiet, but I get right up on my tablet and try to speak really loudly so you guys can hear me. But I will be narrating the PowerPoint that goes along with these notes, and that's for Monday. And then there's a part on the back as well. Then the second page is your worksheet for Tuesday, so then it's kind of just practice after those notes. So use the picture to write down 2 commands to 1 friend. So this unit is over giving people commands. So give me that, go there, do this, okay? It's a really easy tense to conjugate in French, so if we have to learn any tense via the computer, this is a good one to do because it's pretty easy. So these 2 you're giving a command to a friend. These 2, 1 friend. These 2 you're giving a command to multiple friends. And these ones you're giving, you're included in the group, so you're saying, let's do this, let's go here. And then at the bottom, just translating these English phrases into French commands, okay? So that's due Tuesday night at 9. Then you have this matching worksheet. There are pictures and then written commands here. You just have to match the number with the picture. That is your Wednesday worksheet due Wednesday night. My fish is making noises. This is your Thursday worksheet. So there's a crazy classroom going on. This is all the students' names. The first section, you need to look at the people and who are you giving this command to based on what they're doing. And then the bottom section, it gives you people in the picture to give a command to. So you could tell them to do this or don't do this. And this is due Thursday night at 9. So these worksheets might not take you that long to do, which is fine, but I wouldn't do them all in one day because I want you to be practicing the French a little bit every day, and it's going to be better for you so that you're spreading it out and studying each day. So even though they're not going to take you that long, I wouldn't recommend doing them all just on one day. And then you're going to fill out on Friday the reflexive commands notes, which are these. And the very last page, there's some back page of your notes too, and the very last page is a worksheet practicing commands in the reflexive. So this packet finishes up our entire week. The reflexive notes and worksheets, I'll give you, that's your Friday assignment, and I'll give you the weekend to do it, so you can turn it in Monday morning. And then we're starting an environmental unit, which I really like and is good for springtime. So we'll have vocab next week. So I know it's a lot of notes. I'm really hoping, like I said, this tense is easy enough to where it can make sense doing it away from each other. But everything will be posted on PowerSchool. Even if you have the packet, you don't have to do the stuff on PowerSchool, but in case someone doesn't have their packet with them, every document is up on PowerSchool along with this video and then the PowerPoint narrations. So again, pace yourself, don't do it all in one day. Make sure you're practicing every single day. You can turn in the worksheets to me via email or taking a picture and sending it to me on Remind with your name on the worksheet. I will notice if people are sending me the same picture, so don't do that. And then I'm not sure if there's a way in PowerSchool where you can just like do it on PowerSchool and send it back to me on PowerSchool. There might be a way on Office 365. If anybody knows, let me know. We might have to explore that. But for now, email and Remind is fine. I appreciate what you guys have been doing and staying on top of so far. I miss you all. Hope you're doing well and healthy. Hope you're finding things to keep yourself entertained. I think we're all lucky that we have an opportunity to still be doing something with our time, even though we're stuck at home. So, hope to see you guys soon. Much love, much soap. Till next time, au revoir.